This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so manufacturing process, there are three different processes: discrete manufacturing, process manufacturing, and lean manufacturing. So discrete manufacturing means it is you will use in the system BOM, bill of material. For process manufacturing, we will use formula. For lean manufacturing, it is Kanban. What is this discrete manufacturing means? Here in the discrete manufacturing, you can combine the two materials into one item. I mean to say, some items you can combine into one piece, or you can uh, you can make one piece into multiple pieces. Example, the best example is system, computer system. So you can take monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse together, all it is one computer system. Otherwise, if you purchase one system and you can make it CPU, monitor, keyboard, and mouse as a separate items. So assembling and disassembling or kitting, dekitting is possible in discrete manufacturing. Understood? Kitting, dekitting, like we'll use the word kitting and dekitting, or
You mean to say like we can assemble, or we can or
disassemble.
if we don't want to assemble, we can separately also use this, right? Same.
Disassemble. Yes.
Yeah.
So
Means you mean to
hmm,
say like we can assemble, and then if we don't want to use as assemble, then we can separately also use. That's what you mean to say.
yes, exactly. It's not like using, you are going to sell. Suppose you purchased 10 systems, computer systems, and
Yeah.
one customer came and he is asking like two monitors. I can
Okay.
separate it and sell it at any
Okay.
point of. So that is disassembling. So assembling and disassembling is possible in this discrete manufacturing. Then what is
Okay.
this process manufacturing?
Yeah. So
Process.
so I just want to know, like in discrete, like when we create the bomb, so bomb, like there are, as you told, like we can disassemble also. So like 3 to 4 items, we already created one bomb. Now, if the customer is asking the monitor separately, so we have to remove that item from BOM, or like what you want to say?
I will
Means
show you that.
separately also we can sell it. That's what you are
Yes,
telling, right?
yes,
That
yes,
items separately also we can sell, and we can use that item as a part of BOM. That you meant to
yes,
say, right? Both
yes,
way we can sell. As a unit also we can sell. As a single item also we can sell, right?
yes, yes. Process manufacturing. Process manufacturing here, if you assemble it, it is not possible to separate. If you separate, you cannot combine. One item can be separated into different pieces, or different pieces combined into one item. You cannot separate it. Take the example like biscuit manufacturing company.
Okay.
Biscuit manufacturing company, they will purchase milk, they will purchase wheat powder, they will purchase sugar, and they will combine these three into one item. Once it is combined, you cannot separate. That is
Yeah, it
formula.
is. Yeah, it is like similar. Like for pizza, we'll make a dough. So dough, once it is made, so we can't remove. Like it is a part of so many things, right?
Yes.
Similarly. Yeah.
So another example like all medicines,
Mm.
medicines manufacturing company, you are combining different formulas, different items together into
Mm.
one item, and you cannot separate it. That is process man.
Okay, but
Understood?
you told like we can, if we can, if we will disassemble them, then we can't. But we can't disassemble all them, right? Once it is,
Separate. So if it is
we can't
separated, it
separate.
cannot be combined. So one is like, suppose another item is like raw cotton. Raw
Okay.
cotton, raw cotton, you can separate like cotton, regular cotton, and cotton seeds.
Okay.
These two are separated, you cannot combine. Cotton seeds, from the cotton seeds, I can get cotton oil, and there will be
Okay.
some chemicals will be available. So this cotton, once the cotton seeds is separated, you cannot combine into cotton. That is one. And from the cotton seeds, if I separate like oil and some other chemical, some pieces,
Mm-hmm.
then can you make it combine together and like oil seeds? Not possible. Like
Yeah.
cotton.
Okay. Okay.
So this is, so if you separate it, you cannot combine. If you combine it, you cannot separate it. That is formula. Okay, Kanban, I'm not expertise in this one. Lean manufacturing. This is the maximum utilization, like for optimum utilization of the material, as per my understanding, optimum
Okay.
utilization of the material. So I'm not very much well expertise in this area, lean manufacturing.
Okay.
So in this, this all are manufacturing process. This is production control. In the production control module, all these informations are available.
Okay.
These all are production module. In this, only one topic you are going to learn, BOM.
Okay.
Whenever you want to separate it, you can separate it. If you want, you can combine it. That one we are going to learn. Bill of material.
Okay. But I think this for retail industry will use process manufacturing. Retail.
See, for retail, it is once the material is available, then you can use it. It's not like process manufacturing or discrete manufacturing.
Okay.
Anything. It's not like related to manufacturing process at all. The
Okay.
item is available, then they can use it. That's it. So always these are the different modules. That is the reason always these are the different modules. P&L is different, finance is different, manufacturing is different, and retail is different. Am I right? These all are
Yeah.
modules separate. So you are combining these two, like manufacturing and retail are different.
Mhm. Yeah. I am telling on that point of view, in retail
So retail,
industry,
retail
food processing, because we can't separate, as you told, once it
so
is.
retail,
Uh,
like, I'm selling systems also. Then it is a discrete manufacturing.
yeah. Yeah.
That's what this is. Once the finished goods are available, I can sell. I can sell the material. Am I right? That is not only like process manufacturing, discrete manufacturing items also I will sell.
Mm-hmm.
Bicycle manufacturing, bicycle, cycle. So that
Mm-hmm.
one I can separate pieces and I can sell like
As a
wheels.
single item also.
Yeah,
We can sell as a
anything.
single item. Yeah. Right. Yeah.
Yeah. So as per your requirement, that is the reason I have given best example computer system. Our computer system, I can sell as a combined item. I can sell a piece of items.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Fine. So a simple example, like the same thing, I will continue. I will create one item. Okay, computer. For this, I will create CPU, monitor, keyboard, and mouse, and cards, cables. So there are 1 2 3 cables, suppose 3 number of cables. Altogether, it is computer. So I will create these things and I will combine all these things. Okay, I will separate it and I will combine it. The same thing. Let me do it. So what I will do now, first I need to create all these items and how to combine and how to separate it. We'll try to understand. Product information management, released products. So I'm creating computers. Suppose this is $1,000, $1,200 is $1,050 cost price. Next, I'm creating another one, CPU. Suppose this CPU is $600. 500, 600, 520, something like that. Next, monitor. So I'm just creating C monitor so that all items are, if it is C, it will be shown filtered properly. That is the reason I'm creating. There is no logic here.
Yeah, I just want to know this inventory price here. Anyhow, we are taking example, but in live scenario, we will not directly put the inventory price, right?
No, no, will not enter.
We will only enter
So
purchase price only.
we can enter actually like inventory price also. That price will not be considered. It will be considered only for opening balances or movement journal. We need to map movement journal. Am I right? For that
Yeah, yeah.
movement journal, use it. But that's it.
That is only
Other than
one time. That opening is only one time, right?
yes,
So for that, we have to mention here inventory price.
yeah,
There here.
movement journal because there is no transactions. Am I right? You are
Yeah, yeah.
creating fresh.
So there only. So for that time, you have to mention each item inventory price here. Each item one
Yes,
by one.
yes,
We, so that in a opening balance, the price will come inventory price.
yes.
Okay. Afterwards, automatically it will calculate. No need of mentioning.
Yes.
So only purchase and sales price will mention.
Hmm. Hmm.
Tracking like in live scenario, how we can use this option? Because we are only selecting none only.
Hmm. Hmm.
Batch and all live scenario will show afterwards, like how we will use this
So
tracking.
it is like, see, if you are using suppose pants and shirts, you can use the color. That's it. All right, size and color.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
tracking dimension group. Tracking dimension group usually like none here. Like see, if you are electronic items, you are going to use batch number or serial number. We have discussed already, right?
yeah.
So you can create an item and you can do it. It's not an issue. Keyboard, monitor, keyboard, mouse. I need to create.
Batch and serial number, we have not seen that example. That's what I was asking. Yeah, color is fine. Like color and size, that is not an issue.
So these are, so batch number and serial number also, if you want, I will show you one time. It's, I have shown last time. You can verify, but
Okay.
if you want to, I will show you, no issues. It's
Yeah,
not a
because
complex.
how we can use the serial number and batch in real scenario, like so in retail that machine will be there, na, that uh, batch that will, whatever like item we are selling, like in retail store, it will
Hmm.
get the data from that machine, from batch ID is mentioned. Suppose in biscuit packet outside there is a batch or something will be there.
Yeah,
So it will take inside, like in retail, I think it is in retail model, right?
yeah, yeah.
So this
Exactly.
batch only it will be used, this
Yes,
serial or batch.
yes, yes, exactly.
Yeah, so maybe afterwards, like if you can show once, like so get some idea.
Okay, so I have created items just for filter purpose. I have used, if I enter like this, it will show cable, computer, monitor, mouse, keyboard, CPU, all are available.
Okay, you selected as a all our bomb item, right? Product type bomb.
Yes, so you can select inside, like you can select whatever you want the type.
Okay, bomb is there. Co-product, byproduct.
These are for formula. These are for
Okay, the
formula.
second
Formula.
one. Okay.
BOM is for production, like discrete manufacturing. None is for like purchasing. Even BOM also you can purchase. It's not an issue. Okay.
Okay.
Now for this computer, so I'm creating a BOM. I'm creating BOM.
So computer is the main item, right? Inside that
Yes.
bomb, all the sub bomb item will be there. Sub
Yes.
items.
Yes. Okay. For site one, click OK.
So it is a version computer bomb.
Yes. So
Okay.
it is the naming convention was saved. Now inside, what are the items here required for BOM? One is we need CPU, we need CPU. Next, I need monitor, I need mouse, I need keyboard, next I need CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse and cables. Here cables I need 3, so we can map 3 quantity. So to produce one item, 3 quantity required, because you are going to provide 3 cables to the customer. Understood? So here I am mapping 3 cables or 2 cables. One is for like a monitor to CPU and something, whatever it is there. Okay, you are going to map it. I think 2 cables are enough. Let me map 2 cables. Understood here?
Yeah.
So to manufacture one quantity, I need how many quantity? If you want, suppose 1.5 required, then you can make like 2 quantity per series, 2 series. I need 3 quantity. Even points also available. Whatever the way you want, you can map it. So it was mapped and saved. Fine. So once it is created, you need to approve by this one. Here you need to approve and you need to activate. Okay, give me 1 second. We can do it from here.
Approval is there here also. You can go. In below material also there is approval. Yeah, first download.
Yeah. So click OK. So approved it is there. Fine. So once it is approved, if
But
you
it is
look at,
not okay. It is yes. Okay, fine. Yeah.
so if you look at the designer, you can see the designer also. Look at this one. Understood? So what I mean to say, I will show you another example so that this is one single level. Okay, I will show you some little bit more insights. Here it is all are pieces, but I will show you the little bit bigger BVM. Just give me 1 second.
So what I'm asking, like, if we are creating one bomb, so inside that bomb, suppose 4 to 5 items are there. So that item also we have to create as bomb only, product
That's what
item.
I'm going to show you first. Give me 2 minutes time. Let me show. Then if you want, you can ask me that questions. Okay, give me 1 minute first. This is not that one. I think this one maybe. I want a big item so that I can show you. Give me 1 minute. I think it may be. It may be in C001. Let me verify where it is available. D001 is fine. D002 I will show you something. In this it may be available. It is 2 items only. Let me take special speakers. First filter is corner. I mean to say here you can map multiple items into one item and sub BUM also. Okay, so I would like to show that one first. So I think find just give me 2 minutes time. I will show you a little bit bigger BUM so that you can understand. Why I'm missing this one? Every time I will not, because this BUM process is I will not use in regularly. That is the reason I will take some time to search one item which is having all together T series. Yeah, look at this one here. This is one item P004, T001 is one item, D003 is one item. For D003 you need these many items. Understood? So if you want to manufacturing T0012, you need to create P004, D003, T001. Understood? But if you want D003, this is a sub BYM. Understood? So if you look at this
D002, you have to create separately, and then you have to
yes,
link here.
yes. So for this, it will show these three items. For D003, look at this one. It is different. It is showing this is a sub BYM. Understood?
Okay, so but for this sub biome, how we'll select how much quantity we require? Because there are so many items are there in sub biome.
So for this, for D003, you need to make it separate.
Yeah, that is
Suppose
fine. But yeah, but here if you are using, suppose here it is mentioned two quantity. So
suppose bicycle, example bicycle. If it is a bicycle, I
okay,
need two wheels. Am I right?
okay,
One
okay,
wheel has different steel rods. Am I right? Small piece of pieces are there. So one wheel, what is required means it will be inside. In this inside, it will be there. Got my point?
okay.
I need two wheels for bicycle or motor bicycle, like a bike, like this.
Okay. Yeah.
So you can create and you can map.
Yeah. But majorly in the sub-BOM, like how we will calculate like any example. This is okay, fine. Like take an example, if you can take any food items, it
This
is
one, if you click
possible.
D003, if you click
Yeah.
D003, it will be open D003, or you can open from there. So whatever it is there, you can map it D003.
So to manufacture one item, it contains the different items as well, right? So D001 contains D0023. So each one
Yes.
has its own bomb.
Yes.
So how do you know the items are related?
So you joined just now. I will show you.
Yeah.
So please join by 6 o'clock, Ravi. So that I
Yeah.
can give you clarification, because I need to start once again.
Oh, okay. Today is we started okay, so you started bomb today?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. So let me go to this last. So this T0012 we are doing. For this T0012, it is designer. So here D0003 also available. So I will take another browser. So D003. For this item, you will have designer separately. So this one, if you want, you can see the line details also from there. From B1 versions, you will see clear detail. Okay.
So all the items inside this are bomb only, product type as bomb only, right?
These are see M001 maybe none none also. It's not like type B1 only,
Okay,
because
means yeah.
finished goods is always bomb. Raw materials maybe you can map B1 or none also, no issues.
Yeah, there is no, like you can use both, no issue, right?
Yes, no issues, no
You,
issues.
you can use none also as well as
Yeah, the finished goods, whatever you are doing manufacturing, that item
yeah.
should be.
Like here it is D003, so it is a it
Yes,
will be bomb.
yes. Okay,
Okay,
fine.
so yeah, what I just want to know, like any, it is possible you can take some food item, like it is possible, like
So I
any
cannot,
food.
because process manufacturing I'm not expertise. I know a little bit, but I'm not expertise. I'm going to show you
Okay.
discrete manufacturing. Okay, discrete
No, discrete
manufacturing.
only. Within discrete only if you can, because if you can within discrete only if you can food
Discrete,
item,
how it
because
food item will
It's
not be manufacturing.
food items are process manufacturing. Food
Process
item is not
manufacturing.
discrete.
So the same thing I have explained, right? The first one, whatever I have given explanation to you is,
Yeah, but like if you have a demo system, which is like by process manufacturing, then you can probably have tried to something. I would guess.
okay, I think Ravi, your expertise in manufacturing, am I right?
Sure. No, what? Yeah, no, I worked on one project in process manufacturing, but that is for some short time. But what I'm saying is that if you deploy the VM, LCS VM, you deploy the VM, you should be able to, you have a choice to select what industry you are deploying. So you're deploying public sector, or you're deploying regular discrete manufacturing or process manufacturing, retail, etc. So while deploying, you have a flexibility to select the corresponding demo database.
Yes. Okay, fine. Now we are learning this one. So Ravi, we have created this computer just now. So let me show you for once, because you joined late. So let me show you this one. So computer.
You created a product, right?
Yes. So for this, we have mapped all these things. CPU, monitor, mouse, keyboard, cables. So for filtering purpose, I have added C, not required actually, so that all items together it will be in place. Cables, at least 2 cables I need. Okay, 2 cables for one CPU, one system. Now,
yeah, you can complete. I'll ask you afterwards.
So now we can purchase computers, and we can disassemble, and we can we can purchase pieces and we can assemble. Both options are available. That is possible in the system. So okay, let me purchase some items.
Yeah, I just want to know, like it is similar to, it is BOM, like when we are doing production there will be some wastages. So is there any offer?
Yeah, that is available. Okay, that is available. So let me show you.
You want to say scrap?
Yeah,
no,
scrap.
Scrap also, or if you can go in retail, suppose retail, if you are making something in retail, means food, if you are making, preparing food item, anything like onion and all, there will be some wastages similar to that.
Okay.
So you have to enter that wastages.
That is retail example is different, Vishal, from here.
Yeah, I'm just giving like what will be the wastages, like some wastage you have to enter somewhere, right?
Yeah, 1 second. Not here. VM lines, I think it will be in the downside. VM lines only here. So in this, here there is setups downside. You can set in the setups. You can have, this is wastage. So scrap, constant scrap or variable scrap. There are two options. Constant scrap is like, suppose you are manufacturing of caps, then caps manufacturing, I need to take one as a printer, like printing. Suppose the name I'm printing, at that time it will be wasted one item only, then it is a constant scrap. I will print on one cap, I will verify, validate, or 10 caps I will verify. After that, whether I'm purchasing 10,000 or 1 lakh or 10 lakhs, 10 crores, the same, there will not be. So this is here, it is a constant scrap. Variable scrap means, like suppose normal piece of items like iron are purchasing. If I'm purchasing iron rods, I need like 45 centimeters, 2 rods, and I have purchased 1 meter rods, then 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 10 centimeters rods will be wasted to me. That is variable scrap. Because if you are manufacturing more, your wastage will be more. That is variable scrap. Okay, this you can map it. So you can understand.
So yeah, this item wise will here, in same example there are 4 items, keyboard, mouse. So for each we have to separately do.
Yeah, separately. That is the reason the line keyboard is different.
Each line. Yeah, each line.
So mouse I have entered suppose 1, and
Okay.
keyboard it may be 10. 2.
Okay. So yeah, like constant scrap means for every bomb creation, this scrap will happen, right?
Yes, yes. Not for
And
BWM. Not for
uh,
BWM. If you are doing manufacturing process, if you are doing manufacturing process, it will work. This is only for
yeah,
understanding purpose showing you. But it is
yeah.
if it is BWM, it will not impact any like scrap or something. This will be used in production module. At that time, this all these things will work.
Okay, no, what I'm asking, like, if you'll enter constant scrap as one, suppose
Hmm.
cable we are entering as
Hmm.
one constant scrap. So it
Hmm.
means whenever we'll do the production of this BOM, then one constant, one item will scrap for cable, one will scrap every
Yes,
time,
exactly. Yes,
right?
exactly.
And variable
Exactly.
means variable scrap means this is, I think we can
Percentage.
not
Percentage.
percentage.
It is variable scrap means it is a percentage of kind of thing. Because for 1 meter rod I'm purchasing, okay, I'm cutting like 45 centimeters, 45 centimeters 2 rods. Every time
Okay.
it is 10% is wastage. 90
Okay. So
centimeters
we,
I'm using, 10% is wastage. So
so-
here there is options inside. Okay, there are many things.
okay. So in variable we will mention percentage.
Yeah, so that's what I'm telling you. I'm showing you what it is, but I'm not completely 100% expertise in this area.
Okay.
Just I'm showing you the information for uh, a production module.
Okay. So manufacturing also we are using this.
uh, this is
Okay.
this is the base function for manufacturing.
Okay.
So if you want to understand manufacturing process, then the basic function is this one only. So that's why I told you like BWM is the starting point.
Yeah.
Okay, actually this is completely production module, but why BWM is configured in like trade and logistics, the reason behind, because even it is I'm not a manufacturing consultant, I'm not doing any manufacturing process, but I'm purchasing monitors and I'm selling like I'm purchasing systems and I'm selling monitors keyboards separately, then I need BWM. Am I right?
Yeah. You have to
So
create this.
that is the reason we have this setups. So the scraps and those things will be used in the production module, not here. But for knowledge purpose, I'm showing you here.
The place is this one only or separate?
This one only. This one only.
Production. For production only, the same place. This place only, right?
So same BOM you are using. Same
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
BOM you are going to use in the production module also. Okay. There is no separate BOM function for production. It is the basic function. Fine. Now, so what I will do? I will do a purchase order.
1 second. Actually, the Kanban is a production type, right? It's not the in the notepad. Plain manufacturing Kanban. It's not a what do you call it as? It's not a product split.
Product based. This is a. It's not a product split. This is for
Yeah.
optimum utilization. Am I right?
Yeah. So it's a
First of
Kanban.
all,
I mean, I don't have a lot of knowledge. I have very minimum thing, ABC, not even ABCD. So that Kanban is a board. That means lean means like you are manufacturing what is necessary. So the
yes,
Kanban is a production board, I guess.
yes, production. Yes,
Work related board, I guess.
yes, exactly, exactly. The optimum utilization of the products.
Yeah.
The process of optimum utilization of the products.
Yes.
Just want to know like this process, as you told, like process, we are using this process option for retail. So item we are creating as a similar way, what we
One
are
second.
creating for in discrete.
Here breaking. I'm breaking your comments. In retail, it is not like process manufacturing. In retail, once the product is available, you are going to sell. That's why I told you It is not only, so you're thinking like I'm going to sell biscuits and medicines or something. No, not only biscuits. I'm selling bicycle. I'm selling bike. I'm
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
selling CPU.
Yeah, correct.
So here there is no manufacturing link to retail. It is finished goods is available. Then we are selling this retail product. Yes, tell me now.
Yeah, yeah. My query is different. My query is like for that also similar way we have to create item as a BOM. A product type. My
So,
question is product type.
so
What will create for
in that
suppose for
case,
any retail
if
item?
it is if it is a retail, it is irrelevant to type. Type is irrelevant. Whether it is a BWM, whether it is a formula, whether it is a type none, it is irrelevant.
Mm.
You are purchasing items, you are selling. That's it. All right. It is irrelevant. It is not at all required.
No, but,
Agree with me?
why? No, it is required. Na? Suppose if it is a
Right?
for retail means process. So process means as you told, if it is a
For retail
main
means
BOM.
I
So
told you there is no
yeah.
process. I told you clearly there is no process at all. Retail manufacturing means you are purchasing biscuits and you are selling biscuits.
No,
That's
no,
it.
like we are, no, no,
Uh,
means the thing is there. What I'm mean to say, retail means everything will come. Suppose it is a pizza. So in warehouse, we are managing, we are preparing dough and each
then,
and everything, and then we are
if you are,
sending to retail store. So all this process will happen in warehouse level, right?
so in
Like,
that case, you are
yeah,
making if you are making an item, then you need to
yeah,
you
yeah,
need
yeah. We are
to,
making also. Yeah, that's
then it
what.
is a production module. Then it is a production module. See,
Means same,
as I told
same way
you,
only.
yeah, because if it is a only retail, it is different. Because here retail plus process manufacturing, whatever the manufacturing, it is relevant.
Okay,
Understood?
so discrete, what you told discrete means if we are preparing, then it will come under discrete, right?
So
Yeah,
here,
yeah.
see two things.
What I'm
Two things. Retail is completely different, and manufacturing is different. Here, if it is a pizza retail sellers, there is a two processes. One is retail and one is manufacturing because they are making the item. If it
yeah,
is
yeah.
normal retail industry, if it is normal industry, I'm purchasing biscuits, I'm purchasing bicycles, I'm purchasing like computers, I'm
Yeah,
purchasing everything. Everything. Here,
yeah,
there is no
yeah.
dependency. It
My
is like
query,
uh,
yeah, my query is like as you told biscuit. So we are preparing biscuit also, and we are selling also. Both thing we are doing. So for
yes.
that, we
If you are
when we are
making item,
making the
if you are
biscuit,
yes.
yeah,
Mm.
when we are making, so we are will follow the same way, the discrete only, create a bomb and all, right?
If you are making, you need to
Yeah.
think whether it is a discrete manufacturing or process manufacturing. You need to map it. If you are making,
Yeah,
if you
so
are
that
making,
is, yeah, my question is I'm making a biscuit
mm,
I'm making a biscuit, so I have
mm.
to use product type as a bomb or what? Like
So
for example, biscuit only. Yeah,
if you are making a biscuit, like suppose bakery is retail plus manufacturing.
yeah,
Best
yeah.
example, bakery is a retail plus manufacturing. Here retail is, there is no depending on whether it is a process manufacturing or discrete manufacturing. It will not. Okay, retail is
Okay.
retail. Okay, here you are making one item, biscuit or
Mhm.
cake or whatever it may be.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
manufacturing is, you need to think whether it is a discrete manufacturing or process manufacturing. If it is a discrete manufacturing, you are taking as a BWM item. If it is a
Okay.
process manufacturing, you are making as a formula. It should be a formula.
So there is a product type as formula.
Yes.
That's what I just want to know. That is my
I have
question. Yeah.
shown very first only I have shown that one. See, remember.
Okay, because I have seen some other options, but formula I have not seen there. Product type as that's what. Okay, last it is there formula.
Co-product, byproduct.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay, fine. Okay, means you can use both as per your requirement. There is no issue,
No, that's
right?
what.
My
That's
question
what.
is, we can
It
use
is very,
formula also, we can use bomb also, like because we are
yes, yes.
preparing that, right?
So very first minute I have written like this.
Yeah, yeah, that is fine. No, mine is like, if I'm preparing, I'm making a biscuit, so I can use bomb also and formula also. There is no
No,
issue in that
no. How you can
if I'm
use
making biscuit.
PWAM? If it is a biscuit, you need to map formula, as I told you.
No,
Biscuit can be, see, let me finish here. So here, assembling and disassembling is possible.
okay.
I told you clearly.
Okay.
Is it
Yeah,
possible
fine.
there?
No, it is not possible.
And
Okay,
then
fine.
it is,
Now, okay. Now I understood. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so we will not use that type of option. We can't use here. So that's what. So
yes,
we have to use formula only. Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, if it is a suppose if it is like a as you told computer or computer keyboard other thing, then you can use that option
Yes.
where we can separately also we can sell and
Hmm. So
combine
now
both.
I'm doing purchasing of this item and I will show you assembling and disassembling. So don't mix with manufacturing with retail. Okay, retail is once the finished goods are available, you are selling. That's it. So there you can think whether it is possible for this or not. Understood?
Yeah.
So this
Okay.
is the only we can do in retail. Remaining all are like manufacturing
So
only, in the manufacturing module only.
okay. So inside formula we can use bomb item.
No, that is different. This is different scenario.
We can't use that. So I just want to know, like if item is created, some item I created as a bomb, and
No.
if I want to add in formula, that is not possible.
Mhm. Okay. So here, let me show production also. One example, production control, production orders. If it is BOM, then it is a production order. If it is formula based, it is a batch order. Look at this
Okay.
one. So here, the production order I have opened. There is new production order, new batch number, batch order. If you click on new production order, it will show BOMs only. It will not show anything. It will show only BOM items. These are BOM items only.
Okay.
These are BOM items. Only BOM items. Suppose if I select like A001, it will throw error message. Bill of material is not used with the A001. Understood? There should be a BOM item only I can select. Like suppose computer, I have selected. It will allow you.
Yeah, so product item type will be BOM only.
Yes.
But you
This
told
is
we can use none also. That's what you are telling.
none is for retail. I told you. If it is a retail, you can. It
Okay.
is irrelevant.
Okay, retail we can use, but for bomb, if we are preparing any bomb and with that 4 to 5 items are there, so all has to be product type as a BOM only, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So while creating itself, so
So
if it is a
when you are manufacturing a bomb item, you like a cycle, it might be split. What is that? Divided into a least thing, right? So the last bomb thing may be into individual products. The last bomb item.
yes. So here it is like formula batch order. If it is a batch order, it is only formula items it will be available. If other than like other than formula, it will not be. Understood? These two are
Yeah.
two different verticals. Two
So,
different verticals.
so I just want to know, like, okay, so here you can after once you will do the purchase order invoice, then you can use that particular bomb as in production order.
So
Mm.
tomorrow I will show you this one. So raw materials I have created here. Okay. So this computer, if I want to manufacture computer, I need these all are raw materials.
Yeah.
These are raw materials. This is finished goods.
And in retail, if in a pure retail company, does production make sense? That's why they have retail separately. Okay, the production don't make sense in a pure retail company, right?
No, that's right. Actually, like his example, like Vishal is giving example like bakery. Bakery items, I want to sell items and I want manufacturing also. If you want manufacturing, if you are making item, it is a manufacturing. If you
Yeah,
are
like
purchasing,
pizza, yeah, mine is, yeah, as sir told,
here
like
you need to,
yeah,
yeah,
pizza also, like pizza we are preparing, like company like Domino's is preparing pizza and they are selling also. So both the things they are doing.
yeah, then it is like manufacturing and retail. These two are available in that process. Understood? So this computer should be BYM. Then only it will be available. See, if you look at this item,
Computer and all the items under computer also should be
see,
item type
no,
BOM only, right?
no, that is not
Okay.
required at all. I mean to say, product information management, only your whatever item you are producing, that item should be BYM. That's it. Understood?
Okay,
That
okay.
item
That
should
main
be.
item only has to be BOM, and the
Yes,
inside that item that not mandatory to, like
it
CPU,
is,
monitor,
it is.
keyboard, they are not. It is not mandatory. That has to be BOM, right?
Maybe none, maybe BYM, maybe anything. No issues. It is irrelevant.
Okay, fine, fine.
Anything. Fine. Anything can be, because you are going to purchase this material.
Yeah, 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 right.
Materials, and you are making this one. Okay, so I will continue tomorrow about this one. I will show you tomorrow about this remaining process.
Yeah, this purchase order, and you'll show the production also, right? How we are doing production.
Production order I'm not going to show, so I'm not expertise. If I'm getting
Like
any
give me
errors,
some overview. If you can give some overview, like how, if you are.
first. Now BWM is ready. So what I will do, I will like make it like assembling and disassembling. I will show you tomorrow. So today what I did, I have created a BWM and I have arranged BWM item. Now tomorrow I will show you like assembling and disassembling process.
Okay.
Assembling and disassembling is also called kitting and dekitting. These are words. Tomorrow I will show you this one. Okay. So I'm stopping here for today. We'll connect once again tomorrow.
Yeah, so like we have to create a purchase order afterwards, and then we have to do invoice. That's it, right?
So no, actually, like the main content tomorrow I'm going to show you.
Okay, okay.
I'm going to show you tomorrow the main content, because what exactly assembling and disassembling we need to do, I will show you tomorrow, because today I have shown like how to create a BWM. That's it. Tomorrow I will show you the main content, BWM.
Okay, fine.
Fine.
Okay,
Stopping here for today. We'll connect again tomorrow. See you. Bye.